contract your belly when you breathe in deeply. And relax. Let your breath flow in an automatic rhythm. See if you can follow it for a little while. If your attention strays to something else, it's perfectly fine. Just as soon as you notice, return your attention to just following the breath. How many times did your mind try to distract you from focusing on the breath just now? The more times you got distracted and noticed, the better. That is practice. Practice makes perfect. So let's tune our focus in to help with some pain, utilizing the power of our breath. Place your awareness now on a place of discomfort. Where in the body do you commonly have pains? What are those pains like? If you could describe it like a scientist, what would you say? Perhaps a burning sensation, or tightness, even tingling. It could be sharp or dull. Imagine you're writing out all these descriptions of your pain, taking notes, if you will. How widespread is your discomfort? Or is it more centered in one location of the body? We are going to imagine now that there is a beautiful wind blowing through the body. Imagine now that the areas of discomfort in your body are represented by old piles of leaves that have collected over the years. Wherever you have discomfort, allow your mind to represent it as leaves.